Hello, my name is Anselinda Bella A. I am PPL-2 from University of Palangkaraya. So today we are going to learn about Unit 5 is about follow the instruction below learning focus in procedural text. So the first is, what is procedural text? A procedural text is inform your audience how to do or make something. Forms of procedural text are: number one is direction. How do I get somewhere? Very specific instruction including location, names, and titles. Formal language is required, and the addition of a map will make your instructions so much easier to understand. Number two is instruction. How do I something? Your language must meet the needs of your audience, and you may need to include a diagram if there are complex elements to complete. Number two is receipts. How do I cook something? Receipts are a universal text. There is a very clear expectation of the audience, so never stray from the essentials. Ingredients, method, and a few visuals are essential. Number four is rules for games. How do I play these? Be conscious of your audience and write in a style and language they will understand. You are almost guaranteed to require visuals in this style of writing. Number four is, how do I operate this? Are there any warnings I need to be aware of before proceeding? Be very specific in your explanation. Number five is agendas. What are we doing? When are we doing it? Who is responsible? Okay, writing a procedure, there are purposes to explain how to do something, to explain how to get somewhere, when a set of rules need to be understood. And then when to use a procedural text, writing instruction for a game or a process, writing a receipt for a meal, recording a scientific investigation, creating rules for something, giving a set of direction. And remember, keep your instructions short, simple, and to the point. Procedural texts are always written in present tense. Procedures are presented from the second or third person perspective. Okay, the parts of a procedural text is title, is the goal or outcome of the activity, e.g. how to make a banana and fruit sundae. Materials or ingredients. What will need to complete this activity? Be specific, especially if you are writing receipt, use points or numbers. Include any special utensils or tools. Series of steps. In order, list what need to happen to complete your goal. In a receipt, we refer to the steps as a method. Start each instruction with an action verb such as shake or mix. And the conclusion is short statement that might offer some specific tips or advice to make the task easier or more effective. It might even include safety warnings. This is the example how to make rujak buah. You can see the screen that's material: 1 papaya and 1 cucumber, 1 mango, 1 apple, 3 tablespoon peanuts, 1 hot chili pepper, and 1 tablespoon tamarind. And you can see the step by step to make rujak buah. Okay, the great procedure have details. The procedure is a key component of your experiment design. Validity is important in science, so scientists repeat their experiments to see if they can get the same result each time. For this reason, a well-designed experiment is one that can be replicated by other scientists, and the procedure tells them what to do. And you can see two pictures in the screen, not enough detail, a great detail. How to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay, you can see number one is put a peanut butter on bread. Number 2 is put the jelly on bread and 3 eat. That's not good. And in the right picture, we can see 1. Place 2 slices of bread on plate. 2. Open the jar of peanut butter and use a butter knife to spread 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and 1 slice of bread. Number 3 is open the jar of jelly and use a butter knife to spread 2 tablespoons of jelly on the other slice of bread. Number 4 is put the 2 slices together with the peanut butter and jelly in the middle, and then finally is eat. Oke, di sini ada tugas. Jadi tugasnya di sini adalah buatlah satu contoh prosedur teks dengan tema bebas. Jadi sesuai dengan materi sebelumnya sudah dijelaskan bahwa kalian harus membuat contoh prosedur teks dengan tema bebas. Terima kasih.